You only make 2 or 3 videos and Google Gemini starts showing limits, and these 1000 credits you don't even realize when they run out. So the solution to all of this is Google Gemini Ultra Pro, which gives you 45,000 credits, and if you use this second model, none of your credits will run out, meaning your 5000 credits will be saved. Credits will only be used if you select a model other than this second one. For example, the 3.1 fast model will use 10 credits and this third 3.1 quality model will use 100 credits. But if you use this second model, the 3.1 fast lower priority model, your credits won't be spent. They will remain 45,000 and you won't see any drop in quality. Videos will be generated in the style of the best Hollywood movies, and with one prompt you can get 4 outputs, meaning one prompt will generate 4 videos and you can submit a maximum of 5 prompts at once. This means you can create 20 videos simultaneously. Actually, Gemini Ultra Pro isn't just another AI tool like the rest. Instead, it's a comprehensive package for those doing YouTube content creation or corporate jobs, because it provides you with not just 1 or 2, but a total of 10 AI tools. At number 1 is Google AI Studios, then at number 2 is Google Whisk, at number 3 is Google Flow, at number 4 is Google Gemini, at number 5 is Notebook, at number 6 is Nano Banana Pro, and at number 7 is Music. This is a Google product that allows you to create unlimited and completely copyright-free music. Next, at number 8 is W3, and at 3.19 is Google Canvas, letting you build apps directly, and then all the AI tools that Google will launch in the future like Google Family, Mixboard and more. You'll get free access to all of them. Now you might think that for all these AI tools you'd have to pay thousands. Its price must be quite expensive, but you are wrong, because you're forgetting that I am your reliable AI service provider. I'm going to give you all these AI tools for only 2,000 for 1 month validity with warranty. So finally, if you are looking to further boost your skills and wish to implement AI into your daily life, then you can contact me using the link provided in the description to obtain access to the Gemini Ultra Pro full package account.